Okay, no flash. Incandescent bulb. And this one. Okay, so this is what the incandescent bulbs look like. Okay, here's the new bulbs versus the old bulbs. My grandfather actually wrote on it 12 volt. So stick that in there. Plastic. Stick that one in there. Let's see what those look like. Holy crap. Compared to the, oh, wow. They're 3 times brighter, at least. And these, let me get this open. So these will replace the incandescents. Look at all of those. So those will replace the incandescent bulbs. And then we'll do some calculations. Here's the difference between a 3000 or 2700 Kelvin bulb and a 5000. I don't know if you can see it or not, but one of them is, yeah, see, it comes out blue on the camera. That one's yellow. It's in real life that's more of a white. As you get away, you can see it's whitening up. When you get close, it looks blue. And this one looks yellow, and I think I prefer the yellow, but given that this is a workstation, I think it might be the blue. See, here's the one I just took out. Versus the new one. They're quite a bit different in size. This is older technology, this is newer. I don't know, I think I like the old school yellow better. I think I like it better. It's definitely different. I think I'm going to change this one out too. And it's just push in and twist. And you get the new one. Push in and twist, and pop the cover back on. And that's it. Yeah, see, now that's not blue anymore.
Several days later.
So I don't know how well the footage that I took the other night came out, but pretty much all it is you just replace the bulbs. I replaced all of them. Replaced 20 light bulbs so far, and I haven't even gotten to the lower ones. Those down there. I haven't gotten to that one. That one's wired backwards, so I'm going to leave that incandescent. And these are itty bitty tiny bulbs, so I'm going to have to wait a little bit and get those things. I mean, they only come home when the cabinet's open, so it's not like they're going to stay on. We'll replace these with 40 watt equivalent, and I've taken out my grandfather's incandescent bulbs, which apparently were 25 watt, which I didn't know. Here's the other one. It's his handwriting, so that's kind of cool. But yeah, it's a 25 watt bulb, 12 volt, and I've replaced, actually they're all little itty bitty ones. I've replaced them with this 40 watt, which I forget the wattage. It was like 7 watts, for that bulb and for this one. So, and I got the same color. I tried to get the same color as the incandescent. So I guess the next thing we need to do is to deal with these little ones. I don't know if I have to. Let me get you in frame here. I don't know if I have to take these off the wall or not. There we go. Didn't even hurt it. Alright, so this one. So these just pop on and off. They got little tabs, you squeeze them. So that's good to know. Last time I tried this, I probably just put the clip in. Last time I tried this, the bulb was too long. You should always use your grandmother's knives to cut open packages. Imperial Very Sharp. So these only go in one way. So take this one out before it gets too hot. Am I gonna guess right? Or am I gonna guess wrong? Should go in. What on earth? It's brighter. One down, two more to go, I think. That one and that one. Okay, let's get into brass tacks here. We ended up with a net gain or net savings of 40 amps, 40.29 amps, or 483 watts. So, our old setup was 18 1156 bulbs. There were 27 watts apiece, which is 2.25 amps. That's a total of 40 amps, just in those big bulbs. The two tabletop lamps, you know, the ones that look like they belong in a house, those are 25 watts apiece, or 2.085 or 2.09 or 2.10, whatever you want to round it to. Which means it's a total of 50 amps, 50 watts, and a total of 4.17 amps. Now the runway lights, 4 runway lights, 5 watts apiece, 0.42 amps apiece, which means a total of 20 or 1.68. That left us with a total draw, if I turned everything on, of 46.35 amps. Now, given I have two Group 24 batteries, they're about 100 amps each, you can only go down 50%. That leaves me with 100 amps to play with on a good day. My batteries, good days are in the past. So I'm guessing that's probably 1 hour's worth of lighting or battery life. Now the new setup, okay, the total amps was 6. The total watts was 72. And that's a difference of 40 amps, like I said. So if you want to be able to turn your lights on at night without having to worry about your battery, if you want to knock 40 amps off your potential load, LEDs would be the way to go. So I want to thank you for sticking around. And I'll catch you in the next one, I guess. We're putting a mattress up top. That's already in, and that went sideways. So I filmed that. I also did a little rejuvenation on the house batteries. They were pretty much empty and sulfated using Epsom salts. So that should be coming out at some point in the near future if I remember to do it. And yeah, I saved myself $300 or $400 on batteries by rejuvenating the ones that are in it. They're like I said, they're not up to where they were brand new, but they're pretty close. Good enough for what I use them for, which right now is nothing. But the other thing we're going to be adding is a solar panel to the roof. I have the one in the windshield. I think I've already put a video out on that. If I haven't, I will. And the 30-watt panel just stuffed up onto the dash seems to be working pretty good. So we're going to continue with that, but we're going to go with 300 watts on the roof. So stay tuned, and if you're actually hearing my voice at this point in time, thanks, you made it all the way to the end of the video. Please click on another one.